Good afternoon, dear children. Hope you're all keeping well. Let's go on to learn a new topic in English grammar known as negative sentences. Children, in the lower classes, we have learned what a sentence is and how we write the sentence. But today, let us revise. What is a sentence? Car green, I love color mine. Stay, do you wear? Do these groups of words make sense? Do they suggest something about a person, place, or thing? Now read these sentences. Rini is a nice girl. Neeraj likes writing poems. Do these group of words make sense? What kind of a girl is Rini? What does Neeraj like to do? A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence expresses a complete thought. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. It can be categorized, meaning it can be divided or made into different parts based on their purpose and their structure. Children, we have also learned the various kinds of sentences like declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. A declarative sentence states a fact. Interrogative asks a question. Exclamatory, when we are happy, we are excitement, shows feelings or emotions. Imperative is a command type of question. It's a polite request type of sentence. What is a negative sentence? A negative sentences are declarative statements. That is, they relay information believed to be true. Negative sentences are typically formed by adding the word not after the helping verb. The most popular helping verbs are a form of to be included am, is, are, was, and were. A negative sentence can be formed correctly in three ways. First one, using one negative word. The most common way to form a negative sentence is to use a single negative word or put not after the first word of the verb or shorten it like N'(T) added to a helping verb. In speaking, we often use the short form N'(T). Single negative words: no, nobody, neither, never, none, nothing, nowhere. Like we use them in sentences like, he never listens to me. They had no idea what was their present. Nobody came to visit me while I was in hospital. There's nothing wrong with your cooking. I have nowhere else to go. I am not interested in getting a job abroad. Neither of the children seemed concerned about the fight. None of us won a ticket to Rihanna's concert. Not after the first word of the verb. I am not a bandit. It was not very cold there. He does not work on Saturday. They are not coming. He is not a teacher. They do not sell food. The contradiction N'(T) added to a helping verb. They aren't used to it. There isn't much to tell. Hopefully, she wasn't offended. We weren't prepared for the quiz. I don't speak Tamil. The verbs that I use are is, was, were, and do. N'(T) is added to it. Let's do the exercise. Rewrite the following sentence into negative sentence. First one, Mohan helps his friend. Answer, Mohan does not help his friend. Second, the cat drinks milk. Answer, the cat does not drink milk. Third one, you have given me the books. Answer, you have not given me the books. Fourth one, we like working on Sundays. Answer, we do not like working on Sundays. Fifth one, I spoke to him yesterday. Answer, I did not speak to him yesterday. Sixth one, Mala comes to my place every day. Answer, Mala does not come to my place every day. Seventh one, Hari wants a pen. Answer, Hari does not want a pen. Eighth one, Leela and I played together. Answer, Leela and I do not play together. Ninth one, they do their homework regularly. Answer, they do not do their homework regularly. Tenth one, Umesh and Ramesh live together. Answer, Umesh and Ramesh do not live together. Children, I hope you've understood how to form a negative sentence. Now, take out your grammar books, take a new page, put today's date, and write the name of the topic and do your exercise. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless.